Samsung's foldable devices have grown rapidly over the years. We all know how famous the last year's Galaxy Z Fold 3 is. Meanwhile, 2022's Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 seems to be marked as another masterpiece in the foldable market. Samsung's next-gen premium foldable phone is on its way, despite the fact that the device may be unveiled in August. We have already heard some Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 rumors, creating more excitement among Samsung fans. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 smartphone, it shows a slightly improved ratio when compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The rear camera system also seems to be enhanced. The previous Samsung Galaxy Fold series phones shipped with a folding display coated only in plastic. That display wasn't flat when unfolded but had a visible crease running vertically along the hinge. The crease will be minimized with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 smartphone. He says that the screen will look smoother though the hinge will still be visible to some degree. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 foldable smartphone will be equipped with a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 12MP sensor with 3x optical zoom. While the triple rear camera system seems balanced, it's said that Samsung will introduce its strongest 3x camera with Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in beige and silver colorways. With the very first appearance, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is equipped with a 6.2-inch cover display with a punch hole cutout for a selfie camera, which you will be getting a 7.6 inches inner OLED with 120Hz refresh rate, and of course an improved under-display camera as well as S Pen support. The next best release that everyone out there is anticipating from Samsung is the Galaxy Z Fold 4. However, the rumors and leaks are downgrading our expectations. The company would certainly have to do more than enough to meet our hopes this time, as they have already set a very high bar with the launch of Galaxy Z Fold 3. So this time we are expecting even better aesthetics, even better features, an even enhanced operating system, and a fantabulous camera. On Leaks created the whole new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 renders. The renders reveal the complete 360-degree view of the device and show it in stunning black color. As per the images, the device has a triple camera setup in a no-module design. All three cameras are placed vertically followed by a flashlight. These camera lenses look identical to the ones seen in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra earlier this year. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is reportedly cheaper than Galaxy Z Fold 3. The price cut could be in line with the company's target of mass selling the Galaxy Z Fold 4 smartphone. Meanwhile, the company is manufacturing twice the number of Galaxy Z Fold 3 smartphones. Samsung aims to face stiff competition from devices like the upcoming OnePlus Foldable and Google Pixel Notepad. This cut will be an advantage to achieve massive sales of the upcoming smartphone. Well, that is it, guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.